Imagine this. You roll out of bed in the morning, but instead of gracefully standing up, you collapse like a pancake. Your blanket feels like it's made of bricks.
Your phone weighs as much as a bowling ball.
And just lifting your head takes Olympic-level effort. Why? Because gravity just got 10 times stronger.
First, gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything toward Earth's center. Right now, it's gentle enough to let you walk, run, and occasionally trip over your shoelaces. But if it instantly became 10 times stronger, everything would weigh 10 times more. That 150-pound person, boom, 1,500 pounds.
Your 5-pound cat, a 50-pound furball that can't even meow without getting winded.
Even a bag of chips would feel like a small dumbbell.
Your legs would snap like twigs, and even lying down would feel like you're being crushed. Under 10 Gs, skyscrapers would crumble under their own weight. Airplanes? Forget it. They wouldn't even leave the runway.
Trees would snap. Mountains might collapse.
Breathing would feel like trying to inhale through a wet sponge.
Mix Bill Nye's friendly science energy. With gravity turned up, you'd barely budge.
Your heart would need to be a super pump just to get blood to your brain.
Within seconds, most people would black out because blood simply couldn't reach the head. Unless humans evolved to be short, squat, and insanely muscular, kind of like living hippos,
Earth would literally shrink, getting smaller and denser.
Turn that up to 10, and most satellites would spiral down in fiery crashes.
No GPS, no weather forecasts, no satellite TV. Netflix binge nights? Over.
The only survivors might be small, tough creatures. In other words, the planet would belong to the bugs. But it's the perfect strength for life. Too weak, and our atmosphere would drift away. Too strong, and we'd never crawl out of the dirt. So next time you drop your phone and curse gravity, maybe thank it instead. If gravity really did get stronger, what's the very first thing in your life that would completely fall apart?
Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-bending what-if scenarios. Stay curious, and maybe skip leg day. You'll never be ready for 10 Gs anyway.